Magic: The Gathering takes over. The hottest card game trend. Imagine a game so addictive, it's taking over homes, coffee shops, and tournaments around the world. Magic: The Gathering isn't just a card game anymore, it's a global craze. Whether you're a veteran player or someone who's never touched a deck, this is the story of how Magic: The Gathering became the hottest card game trend, and why it's bigger than ever in 2024. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of Magic: The Gathering, arguably the most popular trading card game right now. We'll cover its rise to fame, what makes it so special, and why so many people from casual players to collectors are absolutely hooked on this game. So stick around, because this is one trend you don't want to miss. Section 1. What is Magic: The Gathering? For those of you who don't know, Magic: The Gathering, often called MTG, is a strategy-based trading card game created by Richard Garfield and released in 1993 by Wizards of the Coast. Players use decks of cards to summon creatures, cast spells, and outsmart their opponents. Think of it like a mix of chess, poker, and the little fantasy Magic all rolled into one. Each card represents a piece of the game: spells, monsters, and powerful abilities. With over 20,000 unique cards printed, the possibilities are endless. You build your deck, plan your moves, and use strategy to defeat your opponent. It's a game that challenges your mind, while being incredibly fun and social. Section 2. Why is Magic: The Gathering so popular right now? So, what's driving this craze in 2024? Here are a few reasons why. The thrill of strategy and skill. Magic isn't just about luck. You have to plan, think ahead, and outplay your opponent. This makes every game feel different and rewarding. Collectability. Cards aren't just for playing, they're collector's items. Some rare cards are worth thousands of dollars. With special sets and reprints, MTG fans are always hunting for valuable finds. Community and competition. Whether you're playing at a local game store, online, or competing in tournaments, the MTG community is vibrant, welcoming, and growing fast. Cultural influence. Thanks to influencers, YouTube, TikTok, and events like Magicon, the game has become a cultural phenomenon. Seeing celebrities and top streamers playing Magic only adds to its cool factor. And let's not forget, Magic isn't just a game, it's a lifestyle. People love building decks, customizing strategies, and sharing their passion with others. Section 3. How Magic: The Gathering has evolved over the years. When Magic: The Gathering launched in 1993, no one could have predicted it would grow into the phenomenon it is today. In the 90s, MTG was a niche hobby played by a small community. Fast forward to today, and you have millions of players worldwide, official tournaments with massive cash prizes, and state-of-the-art digital platforms like MTG Arena, making the game more accessible than ever. Wizards of the Coast has also released groundbreaking card sets, collaborations with franchises like Lord of the Rings, and innovative formats that keep the game fresh and exciting. The game has adapted to modern times, making it easier for both new players and veterans to enjoy it, whether on a table or a screen. Section 4. Getting started with Magic: The Gathering. So, you're thinking, this sounds awesome, but how do I start? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Start with a pre-built deck. These decks are affordable, beginner-friendly, and ready to play out of the box. Learn the rules. Wizards of the Coast offers free resources and videos to teach you the basics step by step. Play online. Platforms like MTG Arena allow you to play Magic for free and learn the ropes without needing physical cards. Visit your local game store. Local shops often host beginner events and Magic nights where you can meet other players. Trust me, once you play your first game, you'll be hooked. Section 5. Is Magic: The Gathering worth it? Let's be real, Magic does require time, effort, and sometimes money, but is it worth it? For many, Magic isn't just about winning games, it's about the friendships, memories, and moments created along the way. Whether you're playing casually with friends or competing at a professional level, the experience is rewarding. Plus, as a collector's hobby, the potential value of your cards can make Magic an investment as well. Some cards increase in value over time, making it both fun and financially interesting. Magic: The Gathering isn't just the hottest card game trend, it's a world of strategy, creativity, and community that continues to grow. Whether you're looking for fun, competition, or a new hobby to explore, now is the perfect time to jump in. What do you think about Magic: The Gathering? Have you played before, or are you ready to give it a shot? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more awesome content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.